Good afternoon, folks, and welcome back to the channel. I'll tell you what, if you're looking for a fantastic home with a ton of high dollar structural upgrades, you want to make sure that you watch the entire video here of lot 108 within the showcase community of Cottage Cove Mobile Home Park in beautiful Clearwater, Florida. Or if you are a beach lover, you want to make sure you watch this video because this is the closest mobile home park to Clearwater Beach. I'm talking 5-6 minutes away. Unbelievably close to the water here. So all you beach lovers or somebody who wants to see a ton of value in a home, lot 108 is going to be it for you. That is for sure. What we're going to do is we'll take a quick tour on the outside, jump in on the inside, show off some of those high dollar upgrades that we have on the home here, and then wrap it up with the numbers section to see if this home is right for you or somebody that you do know. If you're brand new to the channel, thanks so much for coming and hanging out. We have a great time on our channel showcasing some of the most beautiful homes in all of Florida. And this home definitely takes the cake. What we do ask is a small favor for you. If you could go ahead and hit that subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner, that'll make sure that you're a part of the mobile home dealer community as we have a great time on the channel showcasing all of these beautiful homes. So thank you so much for joining the community. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at lot 108 here within Cottage Cove Mobile Home Park. Now, as I approach the home, I want to show off exactly where we're at in the park, okay? There's about 120 homes in this park. It's a smaller park all the way throughout here, and it's kind of built in a horseshoe. You have a horseshoe on the outside, you got one on the inside type of thing, and we are going to be on the outside with the entrance of the park about 2 streets over there, okay? So nice quiet side street, not a ton of drive-by traffic, that is for sure. When we approach the home, we're going to have a very large, very tall carport. Now, this back room here was just recently redone. We're going to jump in there here in a moment later on in the tour. But definitely large enough for one, if not 2 smaller vehicles, and a very tall clearance. Okay, so if you have a big truck or a van, you're going to have plenty of space. Other things on the outside that were recently put up is all of this security lattice. That was put up. It's great condition, keeping the sun off of the home. As it sits in the carport there. Nice look at the rear of the home. And the first large dollar upgrade here is going to be the air condenser there for the Mitsubishi mini splits. There's 3 mini splits that were just put in the home about a year ago, totaling over $10,000 of AC. Prior to that, they had window units. Owner immediately took the window units out, made a very large investment into the mini splits that we're going to showcase here during the inside of the tour. Now, this is the first time in the channel we have ever seen this. Okay, not the front hangout area, but what we're going to see behind here. The owner runs a salon. Okay, so when we walk in there, so we have never seen this, and I think this is so cool. We've actually never seen this in the channel before. So full salon setup. All of these items, obviously the business is moving on, so all of these items will be removed. So no need to be concerned about that. But, if you need a haircut, maybe it would come to you as a benefit. I'm not sure. But none of these salon items are going to stay. Okay, so just use your imagination, and all that stuff is going to be taken out. Now, a ton of construction dollars were put into this room, okay? They redid all the concrete underneath this flooring. They put the distressed beechwood all throughout. They went and finished out this entire wall system here, real drywall on the wall and on the ceiling. They wired in new lighting all throughout. Water was out here for the salons. They put their laundry unit here. Now that is going to be just a washer. The dryer is on the opposite side of the home. A little bit of a unique deal, but you could put a smaller dryer in there, like a 110, and have them side by side if you wanted to. But we do have the full-size washer that's coming with the home. Extra closet space. Again, all the salon items are going to be removed. But I just think that's a super cool look. Very neat. Never seen that before. They put a couple of new doors on the outside of the home, the security door, this door here, and then the door leading into the actual body of the home. Looks like they redid the stairs as well. As we roll into the main body of the house, a couple of things I'll point out. They put in all the Window dressings, the drapes, the blinds, those are all going to stay. They painted the entire inside and outside of the home, put the curtains in. The flooring's been redone as well. The overflooring and the subflooring. Subflooring's been laid with 3/4 inch plywood, so it's nice and sturdy. Very nice color palette. What do you guys think about the colors in this home? It's just how you would decorate it. Let us know in the comments below. I think this color palette is fantastic. That's going to be the next mini split that we talked about. So we have 3 total in the home. The kitchen has been totally redone with new countertops, new sink, new cabinets, new lighting in here as well. Refrigerator was just replaced, and that's a newer one. That's about a year old. You're also going to notice that they rewired the home as well. So we got GFIs all throughout the salon area and a couple here in the kitchen, it looks like. Storage all in the hallway. Bathroom has been totally re-gutted with a new vanity, new toilet. Looks like we got a tub shower combo in here. Neat thing about the shower there, guys, that's actually going to be a metal tub. Okay, that's not going to be a fiberglass. So that's pretty much the closest thing to having an indestructible tub at your fingertips. The 1 bedroom here in the back is very good size. Get another mini split there. You'll see they had the custom built-ins here in the middle, 2 closets on the side, extra storage on the top. As we pan around here, they brought another closet in as well. Now all these items are going to stay with the home. Okay, so you're going to have plenty of storage. You could remove that if you don't need all the storage. And you got plenty of space on either side of the bed there to kind of stretch out and relax. Now, when we talked about in the intro was this side room. Very rarely do we have something like this on the channel. A lot of times this is going to be an afterthought and nothing is really put in here. But they thought about it quite a bit. So you see they have lights hung up, and we made sure those were plugged in for the video. So that shows you that we have power ran out here. We've got the floor stained, as well as the stairs. Now we've got some UV protection here. It looks like it's purple. I think there's UV in there, which is why it looks like it's purple, but it doesn't really look purple. It's actually white, but I think that's what's just kind of paying off the sunlight there. But that definitely keeps all the rain out, keeps it nice and cool out here. Now they ran the dryer out here. That's just a 110 dryer. Okay, so it's not a full size. You could run extra power out here to try to put a full dryer, but again, we have the washer on the opposite side of the house, so it just depends on how you want to set it up there. Okay, so nice pass through there for the mini splits. That's going to be all the condensation that's going to be pulled from there that was put into the home as well. So just a lot of structural upgrades. A couple other things here. They have a roof over on the home. It's about 7 years old. We're not sure if there's a warranty on there. Of course, all the paint on the inside and the outside was done. And the mini splits are going to be their big item with the flooring system. Okay, so a lot of construction done to this home, making it cute as a button. They have it set up with the salon, which I think is really neat. Obviously, that's going to be a very niche buyer. You could obviously have that stuff removed, which it will be, and you could create a secondary living space or a guest bedroom, you name it. Okay, so tons of things to offer here at Lot 108. Okay, so I hear what you're saying, folks. We got all these good things going on here. How much is this going to cost? What is this going to cost me to hold the home? Well, before we get there, folks, like we say in every one of our videos, we always update our website faster than we can update the video. Okay, so always go to the website. We'll put it on the bottom of the screen, sellmobilehome.com. Okay, that'll have all the information on this property and all of the other homes as well. So at the time of the listing, we're taking the home to market at $53,000. $53,000 for this home. Okay, lot rent's about $850. Okay, lot rent's about $850, about 5 minutes away from the beach, with a $53,000 home and a very, very motivated seller who's looking to entertain all offers. So if this home's for you or someone that you know, we're going to go ahead and put our new team member. His name's Bob. He's absolutely doing a fantastic job with our team. We'll put his number on the lower right-hand corner. Give Bob a call, send him a text message, let him know that you're interested in the property at lot 108, and he will be happy to help in any way we can. Thanks so much for coming on the virtual tour, folks. My name is Mark. You've been with the Mobile Home Dealer, and as always, we'll see y'all on the next one.